Yo guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Thor node which can potentially give you a return of $8,000 per year from initial investment of $1,500. So if you want to stick around, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe and turn on bell notification for all future videos. And with that being said, let's go into today's video. So guys, yes, the Thor financial crypto. Everyone's been talking about this recently, especially with the node protocol that they got in place. So I just want to cover what it is and how you can set one up as well. So just going over CoinMarket very briefly, you can see here Thor, ticker name being Thor as well. Current ranking just shy of that 3,200 level. I will be going over the website today as well. In terms of the contracts, they are on the Avalanche network. You can see price not doing really that bad at the moment. It is down 2.8% of the last 24 hours, currently circling just over that $21 mark. In terms of diluted market cap, you can see here it is over 431 million. So I will explain why I do have a bit of faith in this project after I show you the price as well. In terms of circulating volume, you can see it is over 1 million as well. Going with the chart very briefly, you can see it doesn't look really great at the moment, especially when you can see they did have the highs around $450 or so, but it did quickly dump all the way around to that $17 in fact, back up to that spike around this year, in fact around that $170 mark, before unfortunately dipping down to where it is at the moment. So I will explain why later on this video. I'm still going to invest in this with you guys and see why I still think there is a potential with this coin in the future as well. So that's just a bit about the price analysis. So going over the website, you can see here Thor Financial. I will go over the application later as well, but you can see here gain passive income by leveraging Thor's financial multi-chain yield farming protocol. Unbeatable yield potential. Thor provides a yield potential with a protocol that works. It efficiently aggregates return from protocol-owned liquidity with returns from DeFi protocols across many chains to allocate rewards and yield holders. Diversified DeFi, we invest in different DeFi projects, staking pools, NFTs, and a host of other carefully curated projects. Ensure we live by our community project policy. The selected projects are published within the community for a vote before we initiate the investment protocol. Secure the future, accumulate passive income. We keep an eye out for bull and bear market patterns so we can benefit from every market circumstance. There is minimal downtime to our system. It is built by veterans to secure passive income for you and your estate. So here's a bit about their pros and what they're actually doing for the community and what they are doing in terms of the project as well. In terms of how it works, you can see here you buy Thor tokens, create a node and earn daily rewards. Our objective is to help as many people generate passive income continuously with minimal effort. This is the reward people truly deserve and bringing this to you. So their vision over here you can see as well. Our goal is to provide rewards by exposing you to different multi-chain DeFi protocols, all from within the power of a single Thor node. You get to enjoy daily passive returns from blockchain nodes while we do the heavy lifting by researching and identifying enticing yield generating options. So in terms of how you actually earn Thor nodes as well, jumping over to the application is where we set everything up. So you can see here already guys, have already connected my wallet already in my MetaMask. You can see here I've already got some Avalanche tokens already loaded onto this as well. So you can see over here, welcome as Guardian. You can use this app to create Thor nodes, view, claim and compound rewards. So you can see here the amount of total nodes is available as well. Over 185,000 nodes active and already there. You can see how many of each as well. So you can see over here how many Heimdall, Freya, Thor and Odin. For today I'm going to show you how to set up a Thor node. In terms of the rewards, you can see here Heimdall, you put in around 1.25 Thor per token. So going over here you can see here around 1.25 will give you around an investment of around $26 in fact. So you could pick up a node as cheap as under $30, and with that you'll be able to earn around 0.008 Thor per day. So it's not as much, but if you only have around $30 you want to play around with, you can earn around 17 cents per day. But obviously this would add up over the years, especially as this will be passive income as well. So for today I will be showing you how to set up a Thor node. So you can see here I need around 12.5 Thor tokens. So you can see here around 12.5 would give me around $263 worth, around that much, and with that I'll be able to earn around 0.44 tokens per day. I'll be earning around $3 per day just holding this, and with that you can see here around per month I'll be earning around $90 per month, and with that I'll be earning around over $1,000 per year just holding this, assuming that the price will stay around $20 or above. So obviously if the price goes up, the more money I'll be earning as well on top of that. So that is how much it pretty works. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So once you click on buy Thor, you'll be able to come over to Trader Joe over here. You can see here I put around 2.92 AVAX. That gives me around 12.5 rough, just above in fact. So around that much I'll be able to get Thor. So if I click on swap, you click on accept, that's right, 2.82 AVAX, I'll be able to get around 12.5 Thor tokens. So I do have a little bit of AVAX on the side as well, just so that it covers the gas fees as well. Click confirm, and from there you can see transaction submitted, and from there if I click on refresh, you'll be able to see that I did pick up some Thor tokens as well. Oh, in fact you can see here it is still pending, so wait for this to actually change as well. So we're back again here. You can see here now I have got my Thor tokens already there. That literally took a minute to do, but I just wanted to cut the video anyway, so rather than just waiting. But you can see here I got around 12.5 Thor tokens now. So if I refresh this page now, you can see here it should already be loaded in terms of where I got my Thor. You can see at the top I got 12.59 Thor tokens now. So in terms of how to actually get it, you can see here I'm going to name my Thor node. So I'm just going to name it node 1, and once I do that I'm going to approve the contract, and from here it will give me another thing as well, a little bit of transaction fee again. So click on confirm. What this does is validates the actual token on your MetaMask wallet as well. So once that's approved, I'll show you what to do next. So once you approve the contract, make sure you select what one you want. So you can see here I want the Thor node, so I'm going to be putting around 12.5 Thor per node. So I'm only going to set up one node for now. You can see here I named it node 1. I'm going to click create node. It's going to ask you to validate it again on the MetaMask. It's going to ask for another transaction fee, so around 0.05 AVAX now. Click confirm. So just make sure you have some AVAX on the side as well on your MetaMask, so that it's able to actually go through the transaction as well. So you can see here now is creating that node, so give it some time, and once you do that you can see here now active warrior Thor. So going down here, if you click on refresh now, and you can see here now welcome as Guardian, same mode, but you can see here now I got a Thor node running as well, and you can see your rewards as well, you claim it and so on as well. So you can see here now I got my Thor node running, and what's that doing is accumulating me now passive income per day. I'm earning 0.144 Thor per day. So you can see here what you could do. Obviously you could claim it and so on, but now because your money's in that, just leave that running. And I know with my initial investment I'll be able to earn my tokens, 12.5 Thor tokens that I already initially invested, within 90 days. So once that is, I'll be able to either compound it or take out my initial investment, so I'm risk free, and see what I could do with that as well. So hopefully guys this setup is pretty easy as well. So hopefully everything is covered in this video. If you do have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you guys. But apart from that, hope you like this video. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for all future videos. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one.